Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is mixer and alligation. Mixer and alligation is the most important topic for all aptitude exam. So friends, for better understand, let's take an example. Suppose you have two container, milk and water ratio in a one container, milk and water 5:4. In a second container, milk and water 6:3. If both are mixes in a large container, what is the mix and water in a large container if we mix? So first we will be solve in a traditional method, then we will solve in a easy method. So first 5 plus 4 in this container, 5 plus 4 9 part. So milk is 5 out of 9. Milk is 5 out of 9. In a second container, 6 plus 3 9 part. So out of 9 part, milk is 6. So plus 6 out of 9. Ratio water will be 5 plus 4 9 out of 9. Water is 4 plus in a second container 6 plus 3 9 out of 9. Water is 3. Now 9 common, 5 plus 6. Ratio again 9 is common, so 4 plus 3. 5 plus 6, this is 11 by 9. Ratio 4 plus 3, this is 7 by 9. 9 cancel, so 11:7. In a large container, ratio is milk is 11 and water is 7. So this is a traditional method and this will be take a time approximately 30 to 60 seconds. Now easy way, milk and water ratio. Milk and water ratio. First container 5:4. In a second container 6:3. Now 5 plus 4 is 9 part in a first container. 6 plus 3 is 9 part. If both are same, now directly add them. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So now this is 11:7 part, right? So let's solve question. Question number 1. Two vessels contain milk and water in the ratio 5:7 and 7:9. If both vessels are mixed in ratio 1:1, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixer. So our target to find new mixer, milk and water. Milk and water in first container 5:7 and second 7:9. So our target to find what is the mix in the third container. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 plus 9 is 16. Right? So 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. So for simplify, here will be 4 and here will be 3. Now this is not same, right? So 4 multiply with 5:7 and 3 multiply with 7:9. So new ratio will be 5 4 is 20 and 7 4 is 28. 7 3 is 21 ratio, 9 3 is 27. New ratio will be 8 plus 7 55. 2 to 4 and 1 5 1. So new ratio is 41:55. So option, which option? Option C is the correct answer, right? So option C is the correct answer. Now see here friends, milk and water in first container 5:7 and second container 7:9. So 5 plus 7 12 and 7 plus 9 is 16, but 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. So for simplify, this is 3 and this is 4. So 4 equal, we have to multiply with 4 upper and with 3 below, right? So 5 4 is 20 and 7 4 is 28. 7 3 is 21 and 9 3 is 27. So new mixture, this is a first container and this is second container, and new container will be 41:55. Let's move to next question. Two vessels contain milk and water in the ratio 2:3 and 3:4. If both vessels are mixed in ratio 1:1, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture. Find the ratio milk and water in new container. Milk and water in first container 2:3 and in second container 3:4. So now 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Now this is not same, so we have to multiply with 7 upper part, right? And we have to multiply with 5 below. Now new ratio is 7 2 is 14 and 7 3 is 21. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. So new ratio will be 1 and 4 is to 9. So new ratio is 29:41, right? Milk and water first container 2:3 and second container 3:4. 2 plus 3 is 5 part, 3 plus 4 is 7 part. So both are not same. Now we have to multiply with 7 upper and with 5 below, upper to below and below to upper. So now 7 2 is 14 and 7 3 is 21. Now 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20. Now add them, right? So 21 plus 20 41, 14 plus 15, 14 plus 15 is 29. So new ratio is in third vessel 29:41. Next question. Two vessels contain 3 liquids A, B and C in the ratio 1:2:3 and 4:3:1. If the both vessels are mixed in ratio of 1:1, find the ratio of 3 liquids in new mixture. In first container given 1:2:3 and second containers given 4:3:1. Our target to find what is the new mixture in third container. So now see here, in first container A, B and C is 1:2:3 and in second container 4:3:1. So what is the new mixture in third container? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 3 is 7, 7 1 8. So for simplify, 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So this is 3 and this is 4. Now see here, these are not same. So we need 4 multiply with upper and 3 multiply with below. Upper part to below and below part to upper with multiply. So 4 1 is 4, new ratio, right? 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12, right? 3 4 is 12 3 3 जा 9 and 3 1 जा 3. Now add them. 12 plus 3 is 15, 8 plus 9 is 17, and 4 plus 12 is 16. So new ratio is 16, 17 and 15. Which option is the correct? So option B is the correct. Option B is the correct. Friends, if here are not same, so multiply below with upper and multiply with upper to below, right? After add them, then it is the new mixture of third vessel. 3 containers have their volumes in the ratio 3:4:5. They are full of mixture of milk and water. The mixtures contain milk and water in the ratio of 4:1, 3:1 and 5:2 respectively. The contents of all these containers are poured into a fourth container. The ratio of milk and water in the fourth container. Previous question was 1:1, but in this question given volume in the ratio 3:4:5. So now see here friends, milk and water. Milk and water in first container 4:1. Second container 3:1. And third container 5:2. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 part in first container. 3 plus 1 is 4 part in second container, and 5 plus 2 is 7 part in third container. Now see here, these are not same, right? So take LCM of this number 5, 4 and 7. So 5, 4 and 7 means multiply, right? 5 4 is 20, 27 is 140, right? So LCM is 140. 140 divide 5. 140 divide 5 will be 5 2 is 10, and so multiply with 28, sorry, and 140 by 4. 4 3 is 12 and here 2. So 4 5 is multiply with 35 into 140 divide 7. So multiply with 20. And these are mixes in ratio 3:4:5. 3:4:5. So now 4 5 is 20, 4 1 is 4 and 4 7 is 28. No more cancellation here. So new ratio will be 7 3 is 21, 21 4 is 88. Ratio 7 3 is 21, 21 in 1 is 21, right? So 35 3 is 105. Ratio 35 1 is 35, and 5 5 is 25, 25 into 5 125. Ratio 5 5 is 25, 2 is 50. Now add them. So 5 1 6, 5 3 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Ratio 8 5 13, 13 5 18, right? So 12 20, 20 10 30. So new ratio is 308 and 106. 106. 1 second friends. 8 5 13, 13 5 18, 8 to 10, 10 and 1 here. So 318 is to 106. So it will be goes 157 ratio and it is 53. So our answer is 157 is to 53, right? New ratio is 157 is to 53. It means option C is the correct answer. Move to next question. In a third vessels, each of 48.8 liters of capacity, mixture of milk and water is filled. The ratio of milk and water are 2:3, 3:4 and 1:2 respectively. If all the three vessels are emptied into single large vessel, then what will be the ratio of milk to water in the resultant mixture? So friends, in a three vessel each of 43.8 liters, so it doesn't matter. First, milk and water in the ratio given first, second and third. Milk and water in the ratio 2:3 in first container, second container 3:4 and third container 1:2. So what is the new mixture if them are mixes? So 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3. So take LCM of this number because they are not same. If they are not same, we can directly add, but this is not same, so we can take LCM. 5 7 35, 35 3 is 35, 3 is 5 and 105, right? So LCM is 105. Now 105 by 5, so it goes 21. So multiply by here 21. 7 goes 105 by 7, so 7 1 just 7 and 7 3 is 35. Sorry, 7 5 is 35. So multiply with 15. 105 into 3 will be 3 3 is 9 and 3 5 is 15, right? So 15 3 is 105. So multiply by 35. Now 21 2 is 41, 21 3 is 63, 15 3 is 45 and 15 4 is 60. So 35 1 is 35 and 35 2 is 70. Now add them. 3 6 6 12, 12 plus 7 19, right? So 5 1 6 6 and 5 is 1 here. 4 4 8 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So new ratio is 121 is to 193, right? One 121 is to 193. Let's move to another question. Sorry friends, 21 to the 42. right? So here will be 122, right? So this is the answer of this question, means option D is the correct answer. The ratio of milk to water in 3 containers of equal capacity is 3:2, 7:3 and 11:4 respectively. The containers of 3 containers are mixed together. What is the ratio of milk and water after mixing? In first container 3:2, second container 7:3 and third container 11:4 milk and water. Milk and water mixes in first container 3:2, second container 7:3 and third container 11:4. So these are mixes in the large container. So after mixing, what is the ratio of milk and water? So 3 plus 2 is 5 part in first container, 7 plus 3 is 10 part in second container, 11 plus 4 is 15 part. Now 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. So 3 2 1 LCM will be 3 2 and 1. So what is 3 2 is 6. So 6 1 is multiply with 6, right? And 2 3 is 6. Now 3 2 is 6, right? So 6 3 is 18, new ratio. 6 2 is 12. 7 and 3 multiply 21, 3 3 9. 2 and 11 multiply will be 22. 2 and 4, 4 2 is 8. Now add them. So 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 9 is 29. Ratio 18 plus 22 will be 40, 40 plus 21 will be 61. So new mix is 61:21, right? Mix and water in first container 3:2, second container 7:3 and third container 11:4. And in first container 3 plus 2 is 5 parts, 7 plus 3 is 10 parts and 11 plus 4 is 15 parts. These are not same. For same, take a LCM. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. For simplify, now take this LCM. After taking LCM came 6, right? 3 2 is the 6. LCM is 6, right? So first multiply with 6. 6 1 is 6, right? And 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. So multiply with 3 and 3 2 is 6. So multiply with 2. So after calculate, we found 61:29. So mixes is 61:29. Let's move to next question. 2 vessels contain milk and water in the ratio 2:3 and 3:5. If both vessels are mixed in ratio 3:4, find ratio of milk and water in new mixture. So in first container 2:3 and second container 3:5, but mixes in 3:4. We have seen in previous video 1:1 and another 3:4 and 5:2. So in this question, in first container 2:3 and 3:5, second container, but mixes is 3:4. So now share milk and water in first container 2:3 and second container 3:5. So 2 plus 3 is 5 part in first container and 5 plus 3 is 3 plus 5 is 8 part in second container, but these are mixes in 3:4. So multiply with 3 and multiply each with 4. So now here these are not same, this part are not same, so we can multiply upper to below and below to upper for making same, right? So here multiply with 8 and here multiply with 5, here multiply with 5. So now here 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8, no more cancellation. So 3 2 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, right? And 6 3 ja 18. In second container 5 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 25. So new mixes is 8 plus 5 is 23, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4, right? So 43. This is 43. 5 plus 2 is 7. So new mixes is 27:43. Move to next question. Two vessels contain milk and water in the ratio 5:9 and 7:11. If both vessels are mixed in ratio 4:3, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixer. This is same question, look like previous question. Two vessels contain milk and water in first container 5:9. Milk and water in first container 5:9. In second container 7:11. So 9 plus 5 is 14 part in your first container and 11 plus 7 is 18 part in second container. So cancellation with 2, 7 and 9. So this is 7 and 9. Now multiply with upper 9 and multiply with 7 below. So new ratio will be 9 5 ja 35, 45, 9 5 ja 45 is to 9 9 ja 81. Second 7 7 ja 49 and 11 7 ja 77. 9 add them. Now add them. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 9 plus 5 is 14 and 4 plus 4 is 8 and 1 is 9. So new ratio is 94 plus 158. So this will be 2 times goes 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8, 47. Ratio 2 7 ja 15 and 2 9 ja 18. So new ratio is 47:79. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.